Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Shopify theme without losing your customizations. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify dashboard and go to your online store section. From there, click on Themes. Now, before updating anything, we need to back up your current customization. So find your live theme, click on the three dots and select Edit Code. Once you're inside the code editor, scroll down and open the config folder. Then click on the file called settingsdata.json. Here, press Ctrl+A to select all the code and then copy it. This file contains all your theme settings, so copying it ensures we don't lose any customization. Now go back to the themes page. Next, create a backup by clicking on Duplicate for your current theme. After that, upload or update your theme to the latest version. Once the updated theme is added, click on the three dots again and choose Edit Code for the new version. Just like before, go to the config folder and open settingsdata.json. Now replace the existing code with the one you copied earlier. After pasting, click on Save. And that's it. Your updated theme will now include all your previous customizations. Just make sure everything looks correct before publishing the theme live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.